Before I start this video, ladies, let me put this out there. We are all beautiful and wonderfully and fearfully made by God. So however your stature is, however your body size is, however your weight is, just embrace it and give God all the glory for being alive. All right, so today's video is not to body shame anybody. It's just to give you an idea of what kind of swimming suit that will perfectly work for any body shape. Yes, if you're trying to hide your stomach, some of the swimming suit I'm going to be presenting in this video will give you a guide to do that. Also, I'm going to let you share in this video how you can just conceal, cover up your tummy. Sometimes we might just be bloating. Some of you know I don't really have big stomach. Thank God for that. I have 3 kids, but I give God all the glory. Even after 3 kids, I don't have that very big stomach. But there are times that I will be so bloated, like very bloated, that you would think I am pregnant. And on such days, what do I do if I need to go to the pool? I will just wear the kind of swimming suit I'm about to present to you all today, just not to prevent me from enjoying my life. I won't let anything hold me back. So ladies, remember, we are all fearfully and wonderfully made by God, regardless of our sizes, of our shapes, of our heights, of our weights, of anything that anybody might want to judge us or by. Welcome back to my channel, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So this video is about the most flattering swimming suit and how you can conceal and hide your tummy on those days if you feel bloated, or just maybe that's just your weight and there's nothing you can do about it. Yes, you're still going to have fun wearing your swimming suits and looking all flattered and beautiful in the beach or at the pool. As you all know, we all have different types of swimming wear in the store or online, wherever you want to purchase it from. The standard style that we all know, it's 1-piece and 2-piece. Yeah, but if we break them down, we have more than that. We have the one that is just going to cover your chest, just like bandeau. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'll put the picture on the screen for you all to see. Also, we have what we call cutout. All right, so I'm going to start from this. Cutout is not what I would recommend if you're trying to conceal your stomach, in the sense that cutout style, it's going to reveal if you have extra fat around your tummy. It's going to reveal it because it's going to break out from that particular place where they cut it out. But cover up your stomach and you don't want it to show if you're bloated or that's just how your stomach is. There are some colors that you need to stay away from because they're actually going to project it more. They're going to pronounce it very glaring that your stomach is a little bit big, or however anybody wants to judge it. Remember, you're beautiful the way you are, but if you want to look flattered and want to look very comfortable at the pool, at the beach, I would recommend that you stay away from this kind of color. Having said that, I've given you idea, I've showed you pictures, I've showed you what you should stay away from. Now I'm going to move on to the kind of swimming suits that you can wear. I do not have links to all this because some of them I owned them before in my closet, and one of it is new, and this one is what I'm going to start with. The reason why I'm starting with this is because on their website, Chief Core, I don't know if you know that brand. I've partnered with them before on this channel. When I was on Instagram, I saw a particular swimsuit that they were promoting, and it has what is it called? It has the shapewear attached to it. It is meant to, the purpose of that swimming suit is to flatten your stomach and lift your butt while you are in your swimming suit. And who doesn't want to have that kind of look to make you look more flattered and more feminine and more elegant, because if everything look all put together, you're going to feel very comfortable at the pool or at the beach. So I decided to purchase it. All right, you all can see it has this body shaper attached to it. It is attached to it, but what I don't know is if it's going to lift the butt. So I went ahead and I put it on. Alright ladies, I thought I should show you what this is looking like. This is the body shaper that is attached to it. It has 3 hooks, so I used the last one on the part of the hook, and this is how it is looking. Like I mentioned, it's self-tie. You have to tie it yourself, and the pad inside is detachable. You can bring it out and wash it or replace it with your own favorite kind of breast pad if you want to. And this is how it is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and zip it up. So this is it zipped up. Then you're going to use the the hook. It's just to close it up. There. How do I feel? Welcome back. You all have seen it, and this is my honest truth, honest what is it called, first time impression about this swimsuit. Does it worth it? Do you need this? If you're trying to go for to hide your tummy, I would recommend it, because I felt the tightness around my tummy. It actually sucked in my tummy more. But what I don't like about it, it did not lift my butt. You all can see behind how it looks. It does not give me that curvy shape which I have naturally. It just make me look like I'm boxy, like kind of it look boxy at the waist, and around the back it did not lift the butt. So I am not recommending it if you're going for lifting of a butt. If you're going to look for that in a swimming suit, or you want it to give you that silhouette, that feminine look that will flatter that will make you to look good from the behind, I won't recommend it. But if your main purpose, what you're going for, is to flatten your tummy, yes, I will recommend it. It actually did that. It's flattened my stomach more, and I could breathe very well, very comfortable. Remember, I'm wearing my regular size, which is size small. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do give this video a thumbs up, and please, if you don't mind, please do share this video with families and friends. Maybe they might find it educative, informative, or entertaining. You never can tell. So I'm going to move on to the next one, which is the one that is going to help you to, if you're, instead of wearing a cutout because of the style, I'm going to recommend this particular one I'm wearing in this video. If you all can see, the band that's in the waist. That band is there for a purpose, is to help you to associate your waist and flatten that area of our body more, to make it look more feminine and flatter your body, just like the way it's looking on my body. And even with the colors that is going all around, you all can see that it still look amazing, even though it has all colors. So we go to the next one, which is the one I will recommend if you're actually trying to stay away from colors that will make it too pronounced, that that area is big. I will say you go with a black swimming suits. We can never go wrong with black. We all know how black is classic, and it's something that you can wear year round, even though we know summer comes once in a year. What I'm trying to say is black is concealing. It's going to hide every imperfection. All right, so I will recommend this particular one. You can have it in any style that you want, but this is what I own at home, and I decided to show you that black will surely, we all know it is no brainer. Black will conceal, it will hide our stomach. The next one I'm going to move on to is two-piece swimming wear, and the reason is because this particular one feels like a peplum style. We all know how peplum can actually conceal that area of our tummy. It's going to hide it. These are the swimming suits I will wear on the day that I'm bloated. If you see me at the pool or at the beach wearing this kind of style, you know that something is going on that day. That means I'm bloated and my stomach is actually looking bigger than the way it's normally look naturally. So I wouldn't even take any chance and let anything hold me down without enjoying the pool or the beach during that period. So I will just go for this particular style. I would recommend it that you look into it. It feels like peplum and it's beautiful and it's very comfortable. I purchased this on Amazon. It's been a long time ago. I don't even think I have a link to it, but however, I'm just giving you an idea. So if you want to purchase yours, just purchase something of this style. On those days, you can actually, on those days that you feel bloated, just put them on and you're good to go. So the next one I'm presenting on the screen, it's not in a peplum style, but it is two-piece. It's still going to cover your stomach area. It's not cut out. It does not reveal any part of your tummy, although it's flattered my body. So that's how it's going to look on whoever that is wearing it, if you pick it according to your size. This one too, I purchased it on Amazon long time ago, but as long as your stomach is not showing, this is going to fit, because you can see that it has a little bit of a band at the breast area, and that it's going to make your it's going to add it's an additional advantage to your boobs area, which will give the illusion of a flat tummy, because your boobs area will come out more than your tummy. So as long as you pick your regular size in this kind of style, you will be good to go. And the last one that I'm going to recommend that you can look into is this particular one I'm wearing on the screen right now. The reason why I'm recommending this one is because of this band in the waist as well, which you already seen in the other one. But this particular one, another additional advantage about it is because it has this block signs going on. You all think about when you wear straps. When you're wearing a strap dress, it's going to conceal, it's going to hide, as long as they are not big, they are tiny stripes. And you can see that this one has different kind of block here and there design, so it's going to make it look, it's going to hide your tummy with the band in the waist, and also the style of the print. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. The print of this swimming suit will conceal your stomach, nobody will notice it. Is the print they will actually focus more attention on. And I love the fact that this one comes with this elegant cover up. I purchased this on Temu and I really love it. If I can find the link of this one, I'll put it in the description box. But I bought it before. I think I bought it last year summer, but I just didn't do swimming suit last year summer. But I thought about bringing all this to you all this summertime. I just love the flow and the way it feels very soft, it feels very elegant. Imagine wearing this with a hat and a nice beach espadrille, or you're wearing a beach sandal espadrille. With it, you're gonna be good to go with a beautiful sunshade. I just love how this look. This I'm gonna be wearing it this summer. I cannot even wait to style this outside this room. I'm talking about being at the pool or at the beach. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please do not forget to like this video as well, and please do share with friends and family. Maybe they will find it informative or educative or entertaining. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing summer, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.